The sky slowly brightens, painting the edges of the horizon in soft pinks and oranges. Over a sunlit meadow, the first rays of sunlight dance on dew-kissed grass. Gentle morning breezes stir, whispering secrets to the swaying blades. Alex, a gentle beekeeper with kind eyes, wakes up under his cozy quilt. He stretches slowly, feeling every muscle relax as he takes deep, refreshing breaths. The air is cool and crisp, filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. Outside, nature hums softly, birds chirping, leaves rustling gently. Alex gets out of bed, feeling the warm earth under his bare feet. He walks slowly to his small shed, where he keeps all his beekeeping tools. Inside, his beehives stand in neat rows, each one housing a busy family of bees. As Alex opens the first hive, the honeybees buzz softly around him, their wings making light, musical sounds. They are gentle and calm, working together to keep the colony strong and healthy. Alex checks on them carefully, ensuring they have enough food and space for the growing season ahead. Alex sits under the old willow tree in the sunlit meadow. He carefully checks his tools laid out before him. There's a wooden box hive, sturdy and worn from years of use. Next to it is his protective gear, light, breathable clothing to shield him from the bees. Finally, there's a small smoker, filled with dry twigs that will make a gentle cloud of smoke. Alex takes a deep breath, feeling the cool morning air fill his lungs. He begins by brushing off each tool, making sure everything is in perfect order. The sun casts its golden rays through the leaves, creating patterns on the ground. A distant butterfly flutters past, catching the light as it flies. Alex moves slowly down the path between the hives, each step steady on the soft ground. The sun is beginning its descent, casting a warm golden light over the meadow. He wears his protective suit, feeling it brush against his legs as he walks. As Alex approaches the first hive, he can smell the earth beneath his feet and the sweet scent of blooming flowers around him. Bees hum gently all around, their activity almost like a soft melody in the dusk air. Each hive stands tall and silent, waiting for his touch. He reaches out carefully and touches one frame of honeycomb, feeling it vibrate slightly with the bees' movement inside. The gentle buzzings grow louder as he moves closer to each new hive, studying them thoughtfully before moving on to the next. Alex moves slowly towards the hives, their wooden frames standing tall among the sunlit meadow. The gentle hum of buzzing bees fills the air, creating a soft melody that Alex finds soothing. He stops by one hive and places the smoker next to it. The smoker is filled with dry leaves that produce a calming smoke as they burn. Alex takes a deep breath, letting the scent of the smoky leaves fill his nostrils. He reaches out gently and lights the smoker. The white smoke starts to rise, wafting upwards into the warm, sunlit sky. As it does, Alex carefully lifts the lid of the hive. Inside, he finds thousands of small golden bees busily working. The bees buzz around in a gentle dance, collecting nectar from the nearby flowers. Alex watches them for a moment, feeling a sense of peace wash over him. He places his hand gently on top of the frame and then carefully opens it to get a better look inside. Inside, he sees rows upon rows of hexagonal cells filled with golden honey. The bees are moving in a rhythmic dance, their little wings beating softly as they work. Alex notices tiny worker bees walking along the frames, some collecting nectar from the flowers, others cleaning the cells. The sun begins to dip lower on the horizon, casting long shadows across the meadow. The air around the hive grows cooler, but the busy activity inside continues uninterrupted. Alex stays a while longer, enjoying the tranquility of the moment before deciding it's time to close the hive and move on. As the sun begins its gentle descent, the meadow comes alive with the soft hum of bees. They work diligently, flying back and forth between flowers and their hive, a dance organized almost as if choreographed by nature herself. Alex stands quietly at the entrance to his small wooden hive. He takes a deep breath, feeling the cool evening air brush against his cheeks. With practiced ease, he opens the first frame from within the hive. The bees are busy but not aggressive. They scurry past him without any fuss, their wings causing a gentle breeze as they move. Alex carefully lifts another frame, peering inside with a soft flashlight. Each cell is filled with golden honey, a testament to the hard work of these tiny creatures. He runs his finger gently over a few cells, feeling the texture and warmth of the honey. The bees continue their task, undisturbed by his presence. As he inspects one frame after another, Alex marvels at the orderliness of it all. Bees moving in perfect harmony, filling each cell just as needed. It's almost like watching a living, breathing machine operate with precision. He places the last frame back carefully, ensuring the hive is secure once more. As Alex steps away, he feels a sense of peace wash over him, a feeling of being connected to something much larger and more beautiful than himself. As Alex gently slides open the wooden hive box, the hum of activity inside grows louder. He watches closely, his fingers moving with care as he lifts frame after frame. Each frame is a miniature city of life. Worker bees flit from cell to cell, their wings making soft, rhythmic sounds. The sun climbs higher in the sky, casting golden light through the mesh of the hive cover and onto Alex's face. The warmth feels gentle on his skin, as if nature herself is embracing him with her tender touch. He pauses for a moment, lost in calm observation, feeling the peacefulness spread from his hands to his heart. Worker bees drone steadily, their movements deliberate yet fluid, like tiny dancers performing a choreographed dance. They carry nectar and pollen from flower to cell, ensuring the health of the colony. Queen bees are less frequent but always important. They move slowly, with a grace that inspires awe. Alex smiles softly as he slides another frame into place, letting it rest gently on top of the last one. He steps back, allowing the bees to get their work done without interruption. The air is filled with a gentle yet constant buzz, a soothing melody only nature can provide. In this moment, Alex feels the weight of responsibility settle upon him lightly, like the afternoon's warm embrace. He knows that every move he makes could affect the entire colony. So, he moves slowly and deliberately, his fingers guiding the frames with care. The sun climbs higher, and the light becomes softer, but no less golden. It bathes everything in a warm glow, enhancing the beauty of the scene before him. Bees buzz about their work with a purposeful grace that is both calming and inspiring. Alex watches for a few more moments, his eyes following the paths of the bees as they move from cell to cell. He feels content, at peace with the world around him. The day's work seems almost meditative in its slow, deliberate pace. As the sun dips lower, casting a warm orange glow across the meadow, Alex carefully approaches his hive. He places both hands gently on the wooden frame and closes it with a soft click. The lid clicks into place, sealing in the busy hum of the bees inside. They buzz softly, their contented voices muffled by the wood, but still audible to Alex. Alex steps back for a moment, watching as the bees continue their gentle activity. He reaches for the woven cover that matches the hive's color and lays it over the top. The cover is soft under his fingers, almost like touching a blanket. He tucks it securely in place until only the edge shows, creating a cozy barrier between the outside world and the busy life within. With one last look at the hive, Alex turns to head back home. The sun has now fully fallen behind the horizon, painting the sky with shades of pink and purple. As he walks through the meadow, The leaves under his feet rustle softly in the cooling evening breeze. The air is filled with a sweet scent from nearby flowers, making him feel at peace. As the golden light of dawn gives way to the warmth of midday, Alex makes his way through the sunlit meadow. The dew is drying on the grass, leaving a soft, spongy feel underfoot. He walks slowly, taking in the quiet beauty around him. The bees are still busy, but their constant hum has softened into a gentle murmur. Alex's hands are warm from the morning sunlight, and his mind is at peace. The scent of wildflowers fills the air, a sweet fragrance that seems to wrap itself around him, giving the feeling of being embraced by nature. He passes by the small pond where several frogs croak softly, their voices melding with the distant songs of birds. As he nears the edge of the meadow and the path that leads back towards his cottage, the world continues to feel perfect in its simplicity. The shadows are growing longer, but still he walks on, feeling content. He thinks about how each day brings new discoveries in this small but magical place. Alex reaches for his basket hanging from a nearby tree, holding it gently as if it's an old friend. He steps onto the path, and the soft earth beneath his feet provides a soothing rhythm to his steady pace. The sun has climbed higher now, casting gentle shadows through the trees lining the path. The air is warm enough to find comfort in a light jacket Alex wore earlier, but has since taken off. His arms are bare, allowing him to feel the warmth of the day on his skin as he walks. As he approaches the cottage, he can see the familiar shapes and colors through the trees. The front door is open slightly, inviting him inside. He knows that once he steps in, it will be time for a break before returning to his chores, or perhaps just some quiet reflection. The sun begins to set in the west, painting the sky with a warm and gentle orange light. The meadow becomes bathed in a soft glow that makes everything look peaceful and calm. Alex sits on a wooden bench, his back against the cool grass. He watches as bees busily land on the flowers for their final day's work of gathering nectar. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers mixed with the gentle buzz of the bees. The sun's last rays touch the tips of the tall grass and the edges of distant trees, giving everything a golden hue. A soft breeze stirs, sending shivers down Alex's spine in a pleasant way. Birds begin to sing softly as they prepare for their evening rest. Alex closes his eyes briefly, letting the warm glow of the sun settle on his face. He takes deep breaths, filling his lungs with the fresh, floral air. The world around him seems to slow down, and he finds himself feeling deeply relaxed. As the sun sinks lower in the sky, Alex's eyelids grow heavy, and he settles deeper into the warmth of the day. As the sun sets lower in the meadow, its warm glow fades into the first hints of twilight. The sky turns a soft pink and orange, like a blanket being gently spread over the land. Alex stands by his hive, gazing out at the tranquil scene before him. The bees are still busy, though fewer now, as they prepare for their night's rest. Their gentle hum is almost soothing, a lullaby of nature. The air carries the scent of wildflowers and the sweet nectar they've collected from the meadow. Alex inhales deeply, feeling the day's work and worries slip away with each breath. As he walks back through the field, the path feels familiar under his feet, soft grass beneath his shoes, cool against the skin. The chirping of crickets grows louder in the distance, a chorus of tiny voices blending into the evening silence. Each sound is a part of this peaceful night, each one bringing Alex closer to contentment. His cottage looms before him now, a cozy haven amidst the rolling hills. He pushes open the door and steps inside, the warm light from his fire casting welcoming shadows on the walls. The interior feels snug, with its rustic furniture and soft rugs. A pot of tea warms in the kettle, its steam rising slowly into the air. Alex moves to his bed, which is comfortable and inviting after a long day's work. He strips off his beekeeper's suit, letting it hang on the wall near the door. The fabric feels rough against his hands as he runs them over it one last time, reminding him of the bees, their gentle touch, and the sweet reward of their labor. He changes into clean, simple pajamas, the softness of the cotton bringing a sense of ease. Lying down on the bed, the mattress is plush beneath him, wrapping him in comfort. He closes his eyes, taking one final deep breath before letting go. The room falls silent around him, save for the soft crackling from the fire and the distant sounds of the night outside. Alex's thoughts drift away like leaves falling softly to the ground. The world slows down, and soon he is drifting into a peaceful sleep, wrapped in the gentle embrace of dreams.